Hello, welcome back to Tammy's Dolls. Now you can see I've been working on this doll's leg here that I was telling you about. Well, there was a method that I was going to use where you use crazy glue and you use cornstarch. You use the two together and you just use your cornstarch and your crazy glue, and it makes plastic form when you're putting plastic with plastic. It wouldn't work. It wanted to form plastic, but it wouldn't adhere. The piece just kept moving. So I went to another step that is working, and I just have to put it together now. And so what I've done is I've cut the hole and stuck the hook into the hole itself. I just heated it up with the hair blower, and so now it's stuck in there. And now all I have to do is attach it to its existing tethering that's inside the doll, and her leg is back on now. That's all I did. I just did that instead. Now the crazy glue and the cornstarch might work with other things. It didn't work with this. It formed plastic, but it wouldn't adhere to the leg. It just kept coming off. It just would not. It put it all over me, and I've been using acetone to get it off my fingers now. But I got pretty much all of it off. I got a bit here and there, but that's okay. Other than that, this stuff it just wasn't working. And you can see that I was doing it in there and everything, but it's white inside. It just wasn't adhering. So anyways, I went to the next step, and now I'm going to attach it to the doll's body, to its existing tethering inside. I'll be back in a little bit with another video. I guess these will be in parts. This is part 2 you're watching, then there'll be part 3. And you'll see the doll's leg attached. The only thing is, don't let that thing fall into the leg, or it's going to be awful to get it back out and to hook back up again. So anyways, here we go. I'll be back in a few minutes with another video, and stay tuned, more to come.